Worries are like clouds by Shona Irisz. Some days are wonderful. Some days are filled with golden sunlight that calls us out to run, jump, and play with fresh air on our faces. Some days are filled with laughter and giggles that make our legs wobble and our faces ache in the best kind of ways. Some days are filled with friends and family who love us, are close to us, and make us feel warm and special. When we have wonderful days, we wish we could bottle them or somehow keep them with us to look at and feel again another day. Some days are not so wonderful. Some days can be a bit tough. Some days we are cranky or tired or sad. Some days we don't feel like getting out of bed and we don't feel like being friendly. Some days we get in trouble for our choices. We have problems that we can't work out how to fix, and we just don't seem to have any luck. Some days we have worries. Worries are like clouds that float in and take the shine out of our day. If our day is particularly gloomy, it might be because we have a problem. If we know that we have a problem, we can try to fix it. When we know what the problem is, we can come up with all sorts of fixes and then pick the best one and give it a go. If we need some more help with a problem, we can ask someone else to lend a hand. Sometimes, though, no matter how much we think and try, the problem still can't be fixed. The worry cloud just won't go away, and it grows and grows and grows. Sometimes we think and think and think and think, and then we worry and worry and worry ourselves until we feel quite uptight and unwell. Thinking too much about a worry can make things feel much worse, much darker, and much cloudier than they need to be. A worry can make us feel quite sick. A worry can put us off our food and stop us sleeping well at night. Different people deal with worries in different ways. Some people like to share their worries with people they love. Talking about a worry with someone who cares can make you feel less worried. Other people can help you sort out your thoughts, or just let you know that everything will be all right. Some people like to grab the worry in their head and imagine setting it free to fly far off into the distance. And if the worry comes back again, they just keep on letting it go. Some people like to keep themselves busy doing things so there is no room in their day for the worry. It can help to be busy doing things we like and things we know we are clever at. Some people like to take extra care of their bodies when they're worried. They take long, slow breaths deep into their bodies and tighten all their muscles. Then let the breath, the tightness, and the worry go all at once. Some people like to write or draw about their worries. Some people like to swap the worry with memories of those wonderful days. the ones filled with sunshine and laughter and love. Or they think of the wonderful days yet to come. Some days are wonderful, some days are tough. Moving worries away can make even the toughest day feel a little brighter.